Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to the Money Book channel where we give you the best and legit methods of online earning. So today's topic is all about that how to make $90 a day, and you just need to copy these three process steps which I used and I am giving you now. So the first is the finding a good gravity product, that is I am talking about the ClickBank. The second is the creating an attractive product thumbnail. And the third process step is finding a good engagement Instagram page. So it is a three step. So the first step is all about the marketplace of ClickBank. Don't go for these products which are already mentioned on the front page. Just use health fitness because it's good and in high demand, and also it is a hot product because most people will buy it for sure. So second is self-help, that is motivational, and the third is spiritual, like spiritual, if you can, I mean you mean what I want to say, I know. Now I go for health and fitness because I have already used this product and I have already earned commission from it. So it's a Okinawa flat penny tonic view mobile. And make sure one thing, that the gravity of the product must remain between 200 and not more than that, but in this case it is about 200, but never mind because I already used this product and you can use it too because it is in high demand right now also. Now it has two pages, like the main page of the product. Let's go for the main page of the product and see what the main page looks like new. Okay, it has a video now, but yes, video pages are most likely to generate sales for your affiliates. And I'll show you the below that the products and the reviews. I hope it has the products samples and the reviews too, because reviews are very important. If someone wants to buy this product, he should read the reviews, and it is an important one. And the second link is of the affiliate page, that is for you, the product company that offers you various things and which can help you to generate more and more sales and to earn more commissions from it, like highly convertible email sites, tracking pixels, CPA, Facebook ad resources, how you can use Facebook ads for this, and commission structure. Everything you have been provided with a good amount of details, and you can use it to generate more sales ahead in time. That is, welcome to Okinawa Flight Bunny Tonic. It is written here. So it was the first step, that is from ClickBank we have to choose a good gravity product, and we have chosen it, that is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic View Mobile, and it has a good conversion rate, that is $151.36, that every conversion or every base scale you will receive $151. Now here I'm going to create an Instagram story. Yes, we are going to promote it on Instagram. Let me tell you how you can purchase, or how you have to see or have to find everything. I will tell you ahead. Don't, if you want to skip this region you can, but I'm telling you that how you can create an attractive Instagram story. Like, it has some decency because it must be simple so that people can read it easily and a little bit attractive too. So see this whole process, and yes, I'm using Canva here because it is the best website and it is a free website for graphic designing. If you are interested in that, just go for Canva, nothing else. Copy all the strategies which I am using so that you can generate sales as fast as I can. As you can see that we have been finished from this studio meeting process. Now let me show you the post which I have created for Instagram, and nothing different. Just you just need to change some dimensions, which you will search in Canva, and it will provide you the all dimensions for Instagram post. And here you can see that everything is same. Just the dimensions is changed, and a little bit in the link in bio I have added just to grab attention that the link is in the bio. Go and have your and get your custom keto diet plan. Now step 3 is to find a good Instagram page with a good engagement. So for the fashion at DIY, I have already used this page on my first failed attempt. Yes, it was my first campaign was my failed attempt, but second one I generated some few decent amount of sales. But I generated. I'm telling you that how I generated $90 a day with a little investment, not more than $20. I can say yes. So now I'm going to show you that how you can calculate the engagement. So just you need to search on the Instagram engagement calculator on the Google, because you can get everything free on Google. Just no need to buy anything. And on this search tab, just put the name of the page, Fashion Art DIY, and you can see. Wait for some seconds. And the rate is 0.76, which is pretty low. If you want your sales to come quick as fast as can, make sure the engagement rate must stay between 1 to 2% or above than 2%, not less than 2%. But though I have already worked with it, so I know this page is good, quite enough, and you can generate sales from it too. Let me tell you that what I have sent the page owner, that he replied me quickly. Like, you can do it with every page, not the same with every. Copy the message that I have sent him, and do use this fire logos or fire emojis, because it gives an attraction to the page owner to reply you. And give him some little appreciation about his page, and give him the little appreciation about his page and what you want to do, what you want to promote. And it was a smoothie 21-day weight loss challenge. It was my first campaign, which was a failed campaign, but though I never give up, and you should do never give up. So you can see that I have asked him for engagements, or asked him from how many views he got in all the stories. Everything is there. Like the post is also here. The link is going below I have sent in the link below. And below that, everything is done, and I have sent him a good caption with a good amount of hashtags you must use too, and with Instagram story too, and all the posts. Everything I have provided him with, and also paid him $15, like 1,000 rupees in Indian rupees. And he said that the post will be live at 4:30 p.m. And on this, I got at least 4 to 500 hops, like clicks, and in ClickBank account after 24 hours. And if you say that that you don't have money for shoutouts, then go and watch this video because I have told you about many things and how you can make money from online with legit and possible ways. So do subscribe this channel.